If you're interested in mixing up your commute to work, or maybe you just love riding your bike around the city, it's important to make sure that you have an excellent bike lock to ensure that your property is safe no matter where you leave it. There are a lot of different options where bike locks are concerned, but honestly some of these on the cheaper end offer very little protection from thieves. So today we've done a ton of research and we're going to be breaking down some of the best bike locks that you can buy to ensure that your bike remains exactly where you left it. We'll be breaking down some of the benefits and features of each so that you can decide which one might be right for you based on your particular situation and needs. As always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so if you want to do a little bit more research yourself, you can check them out there. And if I do happen to find any deals or discounts on any of these, I will throw those down in the description as well. Starting off, we have the best overall bike lock, and that's going to be the Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Mini Bicycle U-Lock. Now, the reason that this is the best all-around bike lock is it does take longer to cut through than any other lock that we tested. Not only is it incredibly safe, but if your bike does happen to get stolen, it does offer anti-theft protection, and the company will actually pay to replace your bike. The first year of this subscription is included free with every Fahgettaboudit Mini. This lock is made of 18mm hardened max performance steel. For extra security, it has a crossbar and an oversized hardened steel sleeve. The lock comes with 3 keys, which disengages the lock using a high-security disc-style cylinder. This is all protected by a sliding dust cover, and the center keyway is designed to make leverage attacks difficult. So if you're just looking for the best overall option to protect your bike, then definitely check out the Kryptonite New York Fahgettaboudit Mini Bicycle U-Lock. Next up, we have the best budget bike lock, and that's the Titanker Bike Lock Cable. This is a great affordable option with lots of features. It's made of a flexible steel cable that measures ½ an inch in diameter. It's 4 foot long and covered with a PVC coating. It has a 4-digit combination lock with 10,000 possible passcodes. It's also very light to carry around at only 11.2 ounces, and it will mount onto your bike with a provided bracket. Now, it doesn't offer the same level of protection as the previous lock, but it is a great deterrent in general. The thick cable is definitely a deterrent to most thieves. So again, if you're looking for a great budget option to keep your bike safe, then certainly check out the Titanker Bike Lock Cable. Next up, we have the best D-Lock bike lock, and that's going to be the Hiplok DX. The Hiplok DX is a heavy-duty D-Lock, which is designed to keep your bike secure no matter where you lock it up. It's also a great lightweight option, so if you're carrying it around with you, it's not going to be a ton on your back. This is definitely one of the most heavy-duty D-Locks on the market. It's both rugged and durable. It has a 14mm hardened steel shackle, which is going to be nearly impossible to break through, and as we mentioned, it's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel like you're dragging around an anvil just to lock your bike up. It's not as affordable as our budget option, but honestly, it's priced very reasonably, and considering it's protecting your investment, which is your expensive bicycle, then it's definitely worth the price. It also does have a lifetime warranty, so it's an investment that's going to last you a very long time. Next up, we have the best U-Lock Cable Bike Lock combo, and that's going to be the Kryptonite Kryptolok Standard Bicycle U-Lock with 4-foot flex cable. In terms of features here, this lock has a center keyway, high-security disc-style cylinder, reinforced hardened crossbar, and a hardened max-performance steel shackle. The shackle here is 13mm thick, and the U-Lock is 4.9 inches. In terms of security here, Kryptonite rates this one a 6 out of 10, but that definitely makes it secure enough for most rural areas. Also, just a reminder with this one, you also get that great theft protection program if you register your lock after purchasing. So if you're still looking to keep your bike safe, but you really don't want to spend a ton of money and you're not going to be parking your bike in a high-trafficked area, then this could be a great option for you. Last up, we have the best on-bike bike lock, and that's going to be the Lobster lock, which will permanently attach to your bike frame so you never have to worry about forgetting to grab a lock on your way out the door. Now, this is a great option for those of you who have a busy life and you've often found yourself forgetting your bike lock, which leaves you in a sticky situation, especially if you live in a high-traffic area. The Lobster lock solves that problem for you by permanently attaching to your bike frame. Basically, it snaps on to wherever you would normally put a water bottle cradle, which is out of the way so it doesn't hinder you from your ride. You simply unlock it using a key, and the 2 arms swing out from the base to attach to each other to create a lock. When you're done, simply fold it back in and you're on your way. This is a great option, like I said, for those of you who are always on the go, and on top of the convenience, it's also a safe, secure, and high-quality bike lock. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then definitely check out the Lobster lock. Anyway guys, that's a look at some of the best bike locks that you can buy. Hopefully this video was helpful for you in making sure that your bike stays safe no matter where you are. If it was helpful, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I'll leave a link to each of these locks in the description below, so you can check each of them out there if you're interested. And if I do happen to find any deals or discounts, I will throw them down there as well. Also, if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to throw them below, as I always love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.